Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm joining hashtag 2crafters1design. That's Melissa with Moe Creations, Lisa with UCYIMADIVA, and Gloria with Girlier's Cards. I'm also joining Set More Makes, and that's Jill, and she's Jillian Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So for Jill, she likes you to just craft all week long and then upload your designs and share them on Saturday. And for 2crafters1design, they give you a prompt. And each week, they'd like for you to upload your designs on Saturday morning using their prompt. So this week's prompt was actually Jillian Norwood Designs stamp set. And Jill actually has two stamp sets that she created, and Peachy King is actually selling those stamp sets. And currently they're on sale, so if you want to head over to the Peachy King website and check those out. So the one that I have that I'm using today is the Snow Angel. I've made a couple of cards using this stamp set before. Super easy. It stamps beautifully. It has a lot of little extras other than the Snow Angel. I only really use the Snow Angel, and but it's super sweet. Her other stamp set is called Gingerbread Joy stamp set. So I would highly suggest you go over to Peachy King's website and check them out. So I use this stamp set, and then also in creating my cards, I use the postage jet rectangle from Spellbinders. So let's take a look at the card. I think it's turned out super sweet. And here is my design. And what I did was I did paper piecing. I'm just not happy with the way I color, and so I go to a way of creating that I'm really comfortable with and that I really love to do, which is paper piecing. So I went with like blue tones this time around. I use cardstock from my stash. This cardstock is from, this blue is a 49th and Market cardstock, and I used some ribbon that I purchased from Jillian. It's got to be 4 years now, and then some buttons that I had in my stash. So I think she turned out cute. Just stamped her and then stamped her again so I could get the different colors, cut them out, and then unglued them on top of the one main stamp. So I think it turned out cute. Let me know what you think below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.